K Media, I'm Victor, and I got a crowd behind me right now of my son and my wife over here doing her nails. No, that is not blood, that is what is on her hand right now. We're doing the oil change on the Subaru. It looks like I'm doing a lot more is because I am cleaning the underneath because there's a lot of oil coming out of it. But this is what I used to put, and I am going to try and put Castrol 0W40 due to the additives that used to be in this one that now doesn't have the additives to help my car out. It's still a 40 weight. As you can see, it's just the 0 in front of it, which I believe is for temperature. So we're gonna try this out and see how that goes. And also you gotta have your crush washer, your funnel, and your filter. And I'm gonna try this. I know I'm gonna get hosed, but I'm gonna try this Fram ultra synthetic filter instead of the Subaru's filter, just for the fact that it is the same size. I think it has a little bit more chambers inside of the filter than the Subaru, so we'll see how it goes. And I have the car lifted up already on the ramps. You're gonna need a 17mm socket to remove the bolt from the oil pan. And Diago, he's gonna help out too. Alright, so you got the oil dripping right there. As you can see, there's a lot of oil down here. I don't know where it's coming from. I do need to plug in the PCV valve that I installed. I forgot to clamp down the bottom piece. So see how that goes. See, got the down pipey down there. Look at that nice little steel piping right there. Just a one piecer. Overall, it's still good though. The oil is not that bad. Alright, so now we're gonna pour the oil in. Then we ain't spilling nothing down, look. No, we should be good. That's all the splats from earlier. Oh, look at my son. Open the door. Hey, open the door. Open the door. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, open the door. Alright, so let's continue. That was a 5-quart gallon or jug, and so put the whole thing inside. Now we got our handy dandy oil cap. Mine's an SPT. This is honestly the coolest one ever I've seen. And then you cap it, and then you turn it on, see if everything's good, make sure everything runs and no spills down low, and then you get rid of your old oil safely. I don't know what to do with that because of the Rotella T6. I have no idea what to do with it. I'll probably give it to somebody, but we'll give it a go. So I'm gonna put the cap on that, and then I'm gonna start it. All right, so that seems like a successful, make sure the microphone is on. That seems like a successful oil change. If you guys got any questions, or let me know also. Oh shit, look what I dumbass did. Oops, don't let wifey see that. But if you guys got any advice, let me know. I'm always open to suggestions, so leave a comment down below. Give a like and subscribe and comment. All right, so see you guys on the next one. Peace.